Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Well, me, I got my northern Italian niece, who's not really my niece, but I call her my niece because I own property with her father, Alessia D'Alessi, and we're going to show you how to eat asino.
Grazie, zio Gigi. Asino is Italian for donkey, and in Italy it's a delicacy. In the north, we eat stracotto d'asino.
In the south, we eat brasato d'asino. All right, Alessia, so you eat my asino, I'll eat your asino.
Ok. È buonissimo, extra juicy.
The south tends to have a fatter asino. It really helps to unlock some of the flavors.
Okay, eat mine.
Okay, yeah. Your asino is soft and soupy. You tenderize this asino?
I pounded my asino for an hour and a half.
I usually let Joe the butcher pound my asino. He knows how to work the meat.
Let me test it again. It's earthy. A little bit bitter. And spicy.
It's spicy, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
very spicy. Your asino is darker than my asino.
It's actually typical for the region. The southern asino is a darker asino. I love a nice charcoal-crusted black asino.
Non sapevo questo di te. Never knew that about you.
Forget the forks. I like to get my fingers deep in that asino.
You know, asino used to be peasant food.
My grandmother used to make us all eat her asino.
Sì, ovviamente, anche la mia, ma è normale.
One time, her asino tried to eat me.
You know, now, asino is trending on every menu, and you can't go on a first date without eating overpriced asino.
Wait, first date asino? It's asinine. Typically, I only eat my wife's asino. It's too easy to get sick off a cheap asino. You don't want to make a mistake.
What's wrong, zio Gigi? What's wrong?
Is this grass-fed asino? Come on, Alessia, I don't eat bargain bin asino. I'm into clean eating, and my stomach is telling me this is unclean asino.
No.
What's the bathroom?
No, this is certified Piemontese asino. Italian asino is the cleanest asino.
God damn it, I can't get sick today. It's my anniversary. My wife wanted to eat my asino.
Use the bidet.
Bidet, thank God. Oh.